Hey there! In the previous videos, I talked about the C1 oral evaluation and I showed you how to write a complete introduction with a good hook and your position, the thesis statement. This video, we'll talk about the body paragraphs. Let's elaborate on the Criterion body paragraph. So, in the ministry rubric, 15 points are allocated out of 50 for the body paragraphs. So it's extremely important to make them clear. So let's see the criterion, how it works with the rubric. To get an A, 15 out of 15, you need to be compelling. It needs to be interesting and you need to catch the attention with every single argument. You need credible evidence. It means that you're using something that can be verified, statistics, facts, and you're organized and developed. You're using transition words to structure everything. A B, which gives you 14 or 12, no in between. Your teacher will judge if you're closer to an A or just a normal B with 12. So you're still convincing, you're using credible evidence, but maybe your text is not as organized as an A. A C, which gives you 11 or 9. So you're passing. Or you're very close to a B. Your teacher judges again. Here you're uneven. In your text, you probably have one very weak argument and one stronger ones. Try to have good arguments, all of them, maybe 2 strong arguments that will help you a lot to climb into the grid. Probably you're not using transition words either, so you're poorly organized. The D and the E, so we're talking about 6 out of 15 or 0. Well, then you're probably saying things that are not true, fallacies. And you're not organized at all. You're not talking about the topic enough. You're not arguing your position. Here, you're failing if you're contradicting yourself, contradicting your position. Okay. Things to remember when you're writing your body paragraphs. Well, when you get to this point, your ideas are already organized with 2 or 3 main ideas. So your main ideas will become your 2 or 3 body paragraphs because you're arguing one idea per paragraph. Don't forget, your entire text has a minimum of 225 words, and your introduction is already around 45. So when you think about it, you only have about 160 words to write for your body paragraphs, so choose them carefully. When we look at the basic structure of a body paragraph, they're all built the same. They start with a topic sentence, you continue with supporting evidence, and you finish it with a concluding sentence. What is a topic sentence? Is it A, the last sentence of every paragraph? B, the first sentence of every paragraph that tells the reader what to expect? C, the last sentence of every paragraph that summarizes the idea? If you answered B, the first sentence of every paragraph that tells the reader what to expect, you are correct. Alright, so how do we start our paragraphs? Well, every paragraph is built the same way. Your topic sentence is at the beginning. But using a transition word to start your paragraph is a very good way to organize your thoughts. It's like the glue to your text to keep everything together. Don't hesitate to use multiple of them throughout your text. Remember the hook in the video 3 that we talked about? How we catch the attention of the reader? Well, the topic sentence is a little bit like this. Shorter. You're catching the attention of your reader. You're telling that person what to expect in your paragraph. Okay, let's try to write one together. Today we're using the topic, should school uniforms be mandatory? This topic comes back a lot. You probably have a lot of ideas in your mind to organize your body paragraph. Let me propose a topic sentence. School uniforms in our school would help decrease bullying and teasing. You see decrease over here, an action verb. It helps the reader understand that your paragraph will argue how school uniforms will decrease bullying and teasing. Your topic sentence needs to catch the attention and It has one job to do: tell the reader what to expect. You have the possibility when you're writing your text to use different tones. So you can choose to be a little bit humorous, serious, engaging, but keep in mind the targeted audience. You're talking to teenagers and young adults, so you have to adapt your tone to make sense with the topic. Let's try to write a complete paragraph together. Remember the topic sentence that we used? School uniforms in our school will help decrease bullying and teasing. Well, when we look at the basic structure of a body paragraph, after the topic sentence, what do we need? Well, we need supporting evidence. And where do we find supporting evidence? Well, a few weeks back, you received a preparation booklet. Inside the booklet, you have numerous texts that give you information. Sometimes there's surveys, sometimes there are statistics, facts, a lot of things. And don't forget that you can do research on your own to bring in inside your brain, because it's memory, you're not bringing in notes. But this time, for my paragraph, I assumed there was a survey inside the preparation booklet to use it as a supporting evidence. So let's see. So, a survey conducted on all the students revealed that 60% of them reported that they had been teased or even bullied because of their clothing. Every student was required to wear a uniform. Bullying over clothing would instantly decrease. The same survey demonstrated that 73% of the school believes it would create a sense of belonging and even a sense of family in the school. So you see, everything you use for the supporting evidence is used to back up what you said over here. I said decrease bullying and teasing. Well, this is what I'm saying with the supporting evidence. Don't forget, statistic, quotes, examples, facts, everything can help you to organize your thoughts. But your paragraph is not over. You need your topic sentence, you need your supporting evidence, but you need a concluding sentence that will help you wrap up what you said in your paragraph. It doesn't have to be long, just a short sentence to tell everyone that you understood your argument. So in this case, I wrote, uniforms are one step closer to a better school environment and less intimidation. So you're just wrapping up everything. So what do we have to remember when we're writing body paragraphs? Well, each paragraph needs a topic sentence. Remember, the topic sentence is the first sentence of the paragraph that tells the reader what to expect. It looks a little bit like the hook because you're catching the attention. Supporting evidence. Remember, everything you're using, facts, statistics, quotes, needs to be verifiable. And you need a concluding sentence at the end, something short, just to wrap up your paragraph. After that, you repeat one or two times, because you need 2 or 3 body paragraphs total. And important, very, very important, make sure that you're not changing point of view in your paragraph, because you will contradict yourself and you will lose precious points. Watch the next video, part 6, to learn how to write an effective conclusion.